Hello everybody, what's going on? It's Vrish here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial. So this is going to be, it's going to show you how to make a Discord bot that will automatically show you when you upload. So I made one on my Discord server right here. We got video uploads. So you see we got YouTube bot. Also did this for Guilty. There we go, we got that bot right there. And also for Pleb Lounge, which is Final Moments' Discord server, we got that right over here. His one's slightly different, that's because that was the first one I tried, but this is the new one. So guys, all you want to do is, you want to, first of all, pick your channel. So I'm just going to create a new one here called Video Uploads. And this is on a bot testing server that I just made literally a minute ago. I'm just making this tutorial while I AFK my spawners and skybounds. So yeah. So you want to go, click on Video Uploads, and you need to have administrator on this server. Or the hold on, let me just create one. Let me just go admin. So most of all you need this manage webhooks permission, but it's just give them administrator. That's one of the main things. So if I give myself that, even though I already have all the rights because I'm a server owner, but just do that if you're on a different server. So what you want to do is click on this edit challenge thing. So edit challenge, then you want to go to webhooks. Oh, hold on. Yeah, sorry about that. I have OBS open, so it sets it to streamer mode. So then once you've got webhooks, you want to go to create webhook. I just call it YouTube. It doesn't matter about the name, and it doesn't matter about this webhook icon at the moment. But what you want to do is click save, go back to edit, copy this webhook URL. Then you want to head over to your browser. So I've just got Firefox open right here, and you want to type in just right here, you can type in IFTTT. Yeah, IFTTT.com. If this, then that. So you just want to open this, and I'm just going to log out real quick. So it tells you to sign in, but I'm just gonna cover that for you guys right now. I'll just show you my Minecraft. Why not? So I'm just gonna click continue with Google and log in. So that's what I'm doing right now. So there we go, I'm logged in. Bring that back. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. This is going to be the first page. That's my old channel name, if you don't know. I used to be XT Doom Gaming, changed it, kind of cringy. So first thing you want to do is go to my applets, yeah? So you got these applets, these are all the ones I've already made, you can ignore that. But there will be some stuff from this in the description, so let me go back. So for example, I have this over here. This is Guilty's Discord one. So I'm gonna blank that out. But this is the thing that I've got. It's the thing that creates the name, the logo, what the actual message says. So I'm just gonna go back to this and create new applet. So you should have this new applet. If plus this, then that. So you want to do is click on this bit, that blue bit, and type in YouTube. So click on YouTube, and the new public video from subscriptions or new public video uploaded by you. Since I'm making bots for other people at the same time, I'm just going to click new public video from subscriptions. And since I'm on my account, it will only show up the ones that I've selected. So my subscriptions, and it also includes my channel here. So I'm just going to create one for json. Yep. So. Yeah, he doesn't need it. I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes. Oh, then you should have like a YouTube logo that's filled in here. Yeah. Then you click on that button. Type in webhooks. If you go back to Discord, you should see that it says. Ooh, hold on, let me just webhook URL. So webhook URL. That's why we're using the webhooks. So you just head back over. So you want to click on this webhooks thing. Make a web request, and then here you have the URL. So we're just gonna go with copy. I just copied it. I'm just going to paste in our Discord webhook URL. Then you want to change this to post, application JSON. Then I'm just going to copy all this. Copy, paste. There we go. So that should be it. And then you just click create action. And I always name it just json, YouTube name. Then Discord. You don't need to do this, but it's just something I like to do. And it says receive notifications when this applet runs. I'm going to turn this off for now because I already have notifications turned on for json. And then all you want to do is click check now, and it says applet checked. Just check everything's working. And you can also go back in here, change anything you want. So yeah, that's basically it. So now all you got to do is, so let's just go back onto my Discord. Yep, so this is just, yeah, created. So, but you know, I know it works, guys. I guarantee you it works. Okay, I've already done it. And go check out my latest video. As of recording this, that's my latest video. Trust me, banger of a video. If you want to see some good PvP, easy PvP, then you just gotta go click on this link. We can just click play right now, actually. But pause. It plays through Discord. If you guys want to also join my Discord, use this link. This link probably will be in the description if I remember. But yep, no limit. Just checking everything there. So it's let me just check it in my browser for you guys. So there's the link we got up there. And it should just be like this, accept Discord logo. Accept invite, but I can't do that since I'm already in it. But that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new.